Hi, I'm Blair Lehman, Product Service Manager at Komatsu. In this episode of instructional videos on hydraulic breakers, I'll provide you with a daily visual inspection plan you can perform before starting work with your hydraulic breakers, helping to improve your machine's longevity and reduce unplanned downtime. The following steps are for daily visual inspection after 8 hours of breaker operation. The first thing you want to do is a visual check of the machine. Check welds for possible cracks on the bracket cap. Check the cradle, tool, and boom. Then check for loose hardware. The next thing you want to check is the suspension system. Make sure the breaker body remains compressed inside the cradle on a hydraulic breaker. If there is a gap between the upper shock absorber, suspension, and back head, it might indicate loose bolts or a worn shock absorber and probably requires service. After that, check the tool retainers. If they need changing, you should always replace them in sets and rotate them equally. You can mark the ends of the retainers to keep track of the rotation order. You can then move on to the hydraulic system. The hydraulic ball valves and quick couplers can cause a rise in hydraulic temperature, so make sure they are open, in good working condition, and not leaking oil. Check for any oil leaks and any rise in the oil temperature. Remember, if you see excessive oil leakage down the breaker, it's usually an indication of worn or damaged seals that need to be replaced. To see more in this series on hydraulic breaker videos, you can visit us at komatsu.com.